Well, hello everybody and welcome to the SNHU 107 Learning Community Focus video with me, Melanie Shop, your SNHU 107 LC gal. Today I just wanted to take a quick moment and walk you guys through the Module 3 journal assignment. So as you all know, to find your assignments from week to week by now, you guys are seasoned pros, right? Click on Learning Modules, and when you click on Learning Modules, you want to find the week we're looking for. So for this week, we're going to Module 3. Here in Module 3, you are going to be talking a lot about resources and supports for you and your prioritization of your time. You will have a journal assignment this week, and you'll also have a warm-up, one of those warm-up quizzes you can take as many times as you need to for that perfect score. But your journal assignment is what I wanted to make sure we focused in on today. So as always, you want to click on that journal assignment to go over the instructions. Click on the guidelines and rubrics, and it'll take you to the instruction area for your journal assignment. This week's journal assignment, like I mentioned earlier, is going to focus on SNHU resources and social supports. It's also going to talk about opportunities in the learning community that can help you feel more connected to the university, and then how you're going to use those resources, social supports, and the learning community to really take ownership of your future success. Couple of things I wanted to point out is, first and foremost, you can find all of the university SNHU resources by clicking on this online student services. When you do that, it is going to pull up this entire page of all of the different departments, teams, and people here at the university to help support your success. So the help desk, the bookstore, the advisors, the academic support team that has like tutoring and the appointments and the workshops, the library, financial services, the learning communities are here in SNHU Connect, career services, the online accessibility center. The list goes on and on, folks, but this is such a great place for you to find everybody kind of in one spot. So as you might have noticed, when you click on that guidelines and rubrics, you are going to, for the assignment, pick at least 2 of those SNHU resources. So remember, SNHU resources are people, places, things inside the university or that come from the university. So I wanted to make sure I pointed that out. And the next question is, you want to identify at least 2 social supports. And just like it says here, these are people, places, or things outside of the university, outside of SNHU. So friends, family, loved ones, community organizations, faith-based organizations, those are the kind of examples you want to list here. So you're not only listing the resources and the social supports, but you're also explaining like how you are going to use these to support your success, how these people, places, and things can help you prioritize your time. That is what you want to make sure you're answering in the actual assignment. And then remember, the learning communities are in SNHU Connect. For example, there's an SNHU 107 learning community, but there's also like clubs, organizations, parent groups, hobby groups. There's so much more in there you can click around and explore. So definitely make sure you get in there. And then you're going to tie it all together by explaining how you'll take ownership by connecting all the dots and using all of those different supports for your success. So as always, the rubric is here that tells you how you will be graded, but you want to click on that Module 3 journal template. When you do that, it'll pull up the actual assignment. For many of you, you'll have to click on Enable Editing so you're able to actually type directly in here. So what I wanted to point out is, again, how you do this assignment. So remember, it says to identify at least 2 SNHU resources. So you want to list those right here. There are 3 bullet points. So if you want to list more than 2, you can totally do that. So you might say that I want to use my advisor as one of them. Maybe the other one is going to be academic support, the 24/7 tutoring. And then maybe the other one, maybe you have to pick a third one, like you're like, I need that help desk. So you're going to list them, but then you're also going to explain why, how they're going to help you, right? So make sure you not only list them, but explain those second part of the question, okay? The next one is those social supports, same thing. Make sure you list at least 2. Notice it says at least 2. If you have more than that, that's fine. Make sure you list them and then also explain. Don't forget that part. And then here, this mentions that there is a learning community available here in SNHU 107. This learning community offers you the opportunity to do all of these things. Like you can meet virtually with classmates, there's study groups and clubs, you can connect with tutors, there's like practice skills, there's so many things in the learning community that are there for your success. So you want to make sure that you identify at least, again, 2 opportunities and how that'll help you feel connected to the university and how it can help support your success. And then down here, you're going to list explain your reasoning of how you're going to tie it all together. As always, you save that file. Remember, I always tell students it's a great tip to put your name on that. Like Melanie Shop, Module 3 assignment, SNHU 107. It just makes it really easy to go ahead and find that assignment that's out there. And then remember, when you upload it, click on upload. find the assignment that you wanted to find. So we'll go back to module 3. There it is. Click open, and it is going to list it. And you can always put a comment if you want, but don't forget to click submit. So that's it, folks. That's everything for week 3. Don't forget, connecting with your resources and social supports is only going to benefit you in your success. We're excited for you. Have an amazing week 3. And remember, you got this.